Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to talk about some questions for question number 9 for the term in revision of grade 9 advance. Okay, let's start the video. Question can be use AAS criteria. So first of all we'll see what is AAS criteria. See, alphabets are telling you A means angle, this A also means angle, and this S means side. Okay, so angle, side. So it seems very easy, but here is a trick for you. Okay, what is that trick? Please try to understand that. See, if I say this angle is equal to this angle, okay, and this angle is equal to this angle. Now if I say that side included is equal, like this side is congruent to this side, then maybe they will be congruent. I'm not saying that they will not be congruent, but my point is they will not satisfy AAS criteria. Why? Because double AS criteria holds when side is not included in the angle. Okay, side is not included in the angle. Two angles are equal and another side is equal, maybe this side or maybe this side. Okay, but not the included side. So you will remember this thing, then this lesson will be very easy for you. Okay, now let's finish the question. This is what the things they are given here. AB is parallel to CD, it is given here like this sign, and angle CBD, where this angle, okay, and equal to ADB means this angle they are given. Okay, now if I make two triangles, separate triangles, to make you more understanding, so just take it as two triangles, one triangle here and one triangle here. Okay, now see, A was the vertical angle, seems to be in a vertical angle, so I'm writing here C is the vertical angle, so I'm writing separate. Okay, now triangle, this is maybe D and this is B. Here this is C, I have written already, so this is B and this is D. Okay, now what they are giving here, angle C, angle B is parallel to angle D. So here B is this one, means CBD means this angle. Okay, so this angle B is equal to which angle? ADB means this angle. And where we'll put the double line? Double line will be for, now can you pause the video and see which one more angle we want equal? Did you say this is 90 degree? No, it is not a 90 degree because it is not given in the exam. Okay, it is not given in the question. So what we are going to use? We will use the concept of parallel lines. Now you see, AB is parallel to CD and BD is a transversal, means it is cutting that line. Yes, so what concept you can recall here? That these two angles will be equal to each other. Okay, these two angles will be equal to each other. Can you tell me the name of these two angles? Write in the comment after pausing the video. Yes, its name is alternate interior angle. What's the name? Alternate interior angle. Okay, so this angle will also be equal. So what is angle equal here? Measure of angle ABD. So it means this angle is equal to measure of angle CDB. CDB means this angle. Okay, and where is the side? Which side is common here? You can see side BD is common to both the triangles. Yes, so BD is equal to BD. You can see BD here and BD here. Can we say that it is satisfying double AS criteria? No. Why? Because side is inclusive to that angle. Yes, so what we want? We want another side. So what we can do here? Side we cannot make equal. So what we can do? We can find different angle to make them equal. Okay, so what we will do here? See, in this triangle, if two sides are equal, two angles are equal, then definitely third angle will also be equal. So it means measure of angle A will be equal to measure of angle C. Okay, this angle will also be equal. Why? Because their addition has to be equal to 180 degree. So when two angles are equal, then definitely a third angle will also be equal. So what we will do here, we will not mention this line. Okay, we will not mention this part. Why? To apply double AS criteria. See, my dear students, in the exam, if they will not write this criteria, if simply they say that prove that these two triangles are congruent, then by any method you can prove, by SAS, by triple S, by AAS, by ASA, anything. Okay, you can prove it. But here they are saying use double AS criteria, so we are bound to apply that one. Okay, so what we will do here, we now take angle A equal to angle C. So in place of taking this, we will see this angle. Okay, this angle A is equal to angle C, and these two angles were before already equal, and this side is also equal, BD and BD. So using AAS criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Okay, like this you can prove, and just if you want to double check it, you can check from this side. Here AB is the first side, here CD is the first side. So it is called their congruent part. Yes, you can check with the angle also. Angle A is the first value, C is the first value. So see, A and C are equal. B is the second value, D is the second value. So B was equal to D, and here D was the third value, B was the third value. So D was equal to B, and it was given here. Okay, like this you can prove the question. Let's take some more questions of the same type. Here it is given angle S is congruent to angle V. So it means this angle equal to one angle. Now T is the midpoint of SV. See, T is the midpoint, means what you will write here, since T is the midpoint, so what we can say here, ST is equal to TV. Okay, see, T is the midpoint of what? Midpoint of SV. It is important to mention here, SV. So ST will be equal to TV. So from this we got one condition, that these two sides are equal. What angle else we can make equal here? We can make these two angles equal. Yes or no? Measure of angle RTS is equal to measure of angle VTU. Why they will be equal? Because they are vertical angles. Yes or no? They are vertical angle. So again problem remains same. It is satisfying ASA criteria, because angle is equal, then side is equal, then angle is equal. Yes, but here we want to apply double AS criteria. So what we will do? We will consider another angle, means third angle, this one. Okay, so what we will do here, since this is the sign of since. Okay, since angle S is equal to angle V and angle RTS is equal to angle VTU, therefore it's necessary that angle R will be equal to angle U. Okay, as sum of the internal angles of a triangle must be equal to 180 degree. So in place of using this, we will use and measure of angle R is equal to measure of angle U. So now you can see here, this is A, and then this is S. Okay, so that is called AAS criteria. So at last you can write, if it is an open response question, using AAS criteria, we can say that triangle RTS is congruent to triangle UTV. Okay, let's finish the other questions quickly. This is the similar question. I think by mistake I have written it again. No problem, we can skip this. See, again, AB is congruent to CB. These two sides are equal, already given. and angle A is equal to angle C. Very good, no problem. And DB bisects angle ABC. DB bisect means dividing into two equal parts. Okay, this is the meaning of bisect. So it means these two angles are also equal. Now again problem is the same. See, in every question we are getting the same challenge, that angle, side, angle, this criteria is satisfied, yes, but we have to apply this one. So what we will do here, again we will write the same lines. Since measure of angle ABD, ABD means this angle here, is equal to measure of angle, I'm sorry, I am not writing M again and again, okay, measure of angle CBD, and what else another angle is equal? Angle A is equal to angle C. Therefore, it is important, it is necessary that measure of angle BDA will be equal to measure of angle BDC. Means these two angles will also be equal. Okay, so in place of using this angle or this angle, what we can do, we can just remove any one angle, so it will become A and S. This is not included now. So you see A and S. Okay, like this. So what you will remember here for AAS criteria, maybe you can have a multiple choice question like this, that which of the following triangle or which of the following pair of triangles satisfying double AS criteria of congruency. Okay, so some of the questions may be for SAS, some of the options may be for triple S, some of the options for right triangle congruency theorem. Okay, like that. So we will see all these things in detail, but you will have to understand like this. Now another can be CD bisects AE. CD, this one, bisects AE. This is E. Okay, what does it mean? It means AC is equal to CE. So see, my dear students, I am writing complete solution for this question, okay? But you will understand, because every time I will not write this. So since CD bisects AE, so therefore AC will be equal to CE. Okay, this side AC will be equal to CE. Why? Because CD is bisecting. Now what another information is given? AB is parallel to CD. Very good. Since AB line is parallel to CD, therefore whenever you see parallel lines, you must think about the angle property of that. So what we can see here? We can see that this angle and this angle will be equal. Therefore measure of angle A will be equal to measure of angle DCE. Why? Can you tell me the name of the property by which they will be equal? Yes, it will be corresponding angles. What it will be? Corresponding angles. Okay. Now you see, are we done? No, we need to find one more angle. So from where we will get that angle? Angle E is equal to, it is given here, angle E, where is E? Okay, angle E is equal to angle CDE. CDE. Why they have given two angles same to same in the same direction? Okay, angle CDE. Sorry, what I'm writing, what I'm reading here. Angle E is equal to BCA. BCA means this angle. So again problem is that this is satisfying ASA criteria. Yes. So what we will do here? We will write for this angle, because any time it has to be non-inclusive side. Okay. So what you will write here? Since these two angles are equal, therefore measurement of angle B is equal to measurement of angle D also. Okay, and therefore using AAS criteria, AAS condition, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle CDE. Okay, now next can be CE bisects angle BED. CE bisect means this angle and this angle both are equal, and you will write here, okay, since CE bisects BD, sorry, angle, it is angle not the side, angle BED. So therefore measure of angle BEC is equal to measure of angle CED. Okay. Now next it can be what? You see this is given here 90 degree. So it means this also will be 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes, because it is part of linear pair. So since angle BCE is equal to 90 degree, so angle DCE, sorry, this is C, DCE will also be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair. Okay. If you will write the reason like this, then definitely you are going to get full marks. Now, two angles we shown equal. Now, this side is common to them. You can see here CE is equal to CE. But problem is what? Problem is again we are getting ASA congruency criteria. Yes, because this is ASA. So, but what we want here? AAS. So, therefore, angle B will also be equal to angle D. Why? Because angle sum property, all the internal angle sum has to be 180 degree. So, when two are equal, then third will also be equal. So, therefore, using AAS criteria, triangle ECB will be congruent to triangle ECD. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Now, one more question we can see. Angle W is congruent to angle Y. It is already given in the picture also. W is equal to Y. So you can write here measure of angle W is equal to measure of angle Y, and this is given. Okay. Now next can be WZ is congruent to YZ. WZ, this one, is congruent to YZ. So sides is also given to us. So we can do here measure of angle WZX is equal to, no, I'm not writing for angle, I want to write for the side. WZ is equal to YZ. Okay, these two sides are also equal, and XZ bisects angle WZY. So XZ, so since XZ bisects, this is WZY angle, so it means angle WZX should be equal to angle XZY, means these two angles should also be equal. And again we are getting ASA property. Yes, so what we will do here, we will find, or we will write for this angle, this, and another this one. Okay, so therefore angle WXZ will be equal to angle YXZ. Okay, why? Because triangle angle sum property. So what you will do here, therefore using AAS criteria, this triangle XWZ will be congruent to triangle XYZ. Like this you can solve the question. And see, my dear students, again I am telling you, if no criteria is written in exam like this, and if they say only prove that the triangles are congruent, so by using any property you can prove that. Okay, but here since they are mentioning, so it's okay, we learn another method also. Okay, I'm sure you understood this question, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.